A primary entry point system has issued an emergency action notification for the following counties/areas. DASDRCT of Columbia, D.C., at 2:20 p.m. on September 28th, 2024, effective until 2:50 p.m. Message from FEMA. This message is being transmitted by order of the United States government. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. Please do not disregard this message. Your life depends on it. At 2:19 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, September 28th, 2024, effective immediately. All regular programming within the United States will cease transmission at this time due to numerous broadcast signal hijackings from an entity/demon named Kirkod. If possible, unless this message is interrupted, turn your TV off. If you do not turn off your television set, you will be possibly tortured and killed by Kirkod. Kirkod is a malevolent entity that kills people and children. Turn off your TV. Turn off your TV. Turn off your TV. Turn off your TV.
False alarm. There is no actual emergency. The following message is transmitted at the request of civil authorities and the United States government. This is just a test. There is no signal hijackings occurring at this time. What was supposed to happen was a nationwide test of the emergency alert system and NOAA weather radio. Please disregard the previous message. This is only a nationwide test. If this has been an actual emergency, important messages would have followed. This test is being relayed by NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. We now return to normal programming operations. This was a national test on NOAA Weather Radio Station WXK-35 serving the Waco listening area.